Okay guys, so this is where we left in the previous lecture. In this lecture, we'll be setting up the shipping setting in our website. So for that, click on the shipping tab. Okay, once you do so, now we have to add a shipping zone. So just click on this add shipping zone button. As I said I'll be dealing only in India, so I'll put a shipping name. It could be any name. I'm putting India. Now we have to select the region. As I said, I'm shipping only in India, so I'll select India. If you're selling only in one particular state, then what you have to do is just select that particular state, Maharashtra. Now I will be shipping only in Maharashtra, but as I said, I'm shipping in whole India, then I'm selecting India. Fine. Now after you do so, click on save changes. So this was the zone. Now we have to add a shipping method, means what kind of shipping method we want, free delivery, flat rate, what should be the rate for shipping, that thing. So for that we have to add a shipping method. So click on add shipping method. Now select flat rate from here and again click on add shipping method. Fine, so now flat rate has been added over here. Now we have to edit this flat rate. Okay, it says whether it is taxable or not. We say yeah, it is taxable. What should be the cost? So we are selecting $2 for the cost and click on save changes. Fine. But many times it happens that you cannot have the same shipping cost for all the products. For example, if you have a bulky product, suppose you're dealing in electronics, then the shipping cost for a cell phone, a mobile phone will be different, and the shipping cost for a television will surely be different, and for refrigerator and these kind of bulky products, it will be different. So what you do, how can you manage that? So there is an option for that. Let me show you how you do that. For that, click on shipping options from here. And here you have some options. First one is enable the shipping calculator on the cart page. So let's come back to the demo website, and as you can see, this is the shipping calculator. When you click on calculate shipping, you put in your country, state, your pin code, click on update totals, and all the settings, all the charges are shown over here. So this is a calculator, so we want to enable this because this is a really cool feature. Now here there is another option, hide shipping cost until an address is entered. You can also enable this one. Now shipping destination, default to customer shipping address or billing address. You can select anything from here. I personally prefer the shipping address. Okay, now click on save changes. Now click on shipping classes from the top. Now here we have to add a shipping class. So here you will see a button which says add shipping class. So click on that. Now we have to name the shipping class. As I said, I'll be showing you how to manage different kind of products. So let's say we are managing bulky products over here. So we'll name bulky. In slug, you can leave this blank or you can put the same thing. And in description, you will say products over 50 kg. For example, just for the sake of illustration, in description we'll say product over 50 kg. So whichever product is over 50 kg will be charging different shipping cost for those kind of products. Okay, so once you do these settings, just click on save shipping classes. It says product count is 0 because we haven't created any product right now. But let me show you how it looks like in the demo website. This is the dashboard for the demo website. Let's go to the Woocommerce setting and settings. The shipping option, shipping class, and here as you can see, here also we have created a bulky and here it is product over 10 kgs, and product count, it shows 4 product. So let's click on this 4 product. So on these 4 products, the shipping cost will be charged $10 instead of $2. So this is how the shipping cost works. Now let's come back to our website and again come back to the shipping zones. Now again click on edit under India, and under flat rate also you'll get an option called edit, so click on that. Now as you can see, the options are more. We have the bulky shipping class cost also. Now here we can set the ratings, the rate for those products and so on. But there is again an issue. Suppose a user purchases 4 t-shirts or 4 different products from your website, then when you set only $2, then for all the 4 products he will be charged only $2 for shipping. But if you want to charge $2 for each product, $2 shipping cost for each product, then you have to put this code, open the bracket, okay, and type in QTY, which stands for quantity, put in a space, then type in this asterisk sign, again a space, and $2. Now what it says, this code says that now if a user purchases 2 t-shirts, then he will be charged $4, 2 into 2. So this is very important. If you put only $2, then whether he purchase 1 t-shirt or 100 t-shirt or a 1 product or 100 product, he will be charged only $2 for shipping. So if you want that kind of setting, you can put in only 2, or if you want $2 for each product, then you can put this code QTY in brackets, then asterisk sign into 2. Okay, fine. Now we have to select the bulky shipping class cost. Again, we'll follow the same process, quantity QTY into $5. For bulky products, we are charging $5 per product shipping cost. Fine. So this is very important. This lesson and previous lesson, the taxation lesson, and this one, the shipping lesson, are very important. Make sure you watch this video again if you have any doubt, so that you clear off your doubt, because you don't face any problem in the future. Once you're done with all the settings, just click on save changes. So we are done with the shipping settings totally, and now you're really happy because tax and shipping were very important things. We have done both the settings. Now in the next lecture, we'll be doing the checkout setting, we'll be setting up PayPal and so on. So see you guys in the next lecture. Till then, take care.